Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to do telnet port scanning of a server. So basically, telnet is a protocol that connects to the hosts over an internet, and it is a text-based computer protocol. Telnet can be used to connect between the client and the server. When a client establishes a connection to the server, your client becomes a virtual terminal and allows you to communicate with the server from your PC. The telnet has been famous from being the origin of the internet, like from a long time. Now coming to the Metasploit part, the Metasploit consists of a scanning module where you can find which version of telnet is used by the server. So here you can see that I am running with the two server. Both server consist of all the ports. The TCP IP port number of telnet is 23. So now here you can see that I have already opened the Metasploit. If you want to search any module, then you can search by typing search and the module name. And next here I am typing use auxiliary slash scanner slash telnet underscore version. So now we have set the module, and next typing show options. Here you can see that the password, rhosts, rport and the username. These username and password are used only when you're trying to brute force the user account. So next, setting up the rhost by typing set rhosts and the range of IP address. Here I am setting 10 to 200, and next setting up the threads, set threads 80. That means for every 8 seconds it's going to give the output. At last, exploit. Okay, here you can see that lots of error messages are coming. Let me check. Here you can see that one of the victim server has been exploited. As I told you, telnet port number is 23, and also you can see that the username and password of the telnet it is showing because the telnet is a text-based computer protocol. Means whatever the username or password is present, it will display directly. Here you can see the username and password of a server, and it says that never exploit this to an untrusted network. Means it's giving the warning don't show to the attackers, and it will be keep on scanning until it reaches the last number of an host, that is 200. So now it has stopped. So that's all about the telnet port scanning of a server. Thank you.